Don't forget to watch Arizona Homestead on your YouTube. Make sure to subscribe. You're watching me shower. With my Camplux outdoor water heater. It's a tankless guy. Sure is nice to shower outside. Woo! Do a little rub-a-dub-a-dub. Dooba-dooba-dooba-doo. Don't drop the bar of soap. Get behind the ears. Gotta get all cleaned up to watch Arizona Homestead on the YouTube. So I started the shower. Water was 75 degrees. It's up to 99 degrees right now. And it feels really good. This is what I just used. These are the settings I have. And it started out about 76 degrees and got up to 99. I've had it actually up to 120 degrees before. There's my switch to my water pump. And my shower. Now I'm all clean and refreshed. Now I gotta go and watch some Arizona Homestead videos. See you, bye, have fun.